Hello, today we're touring a studio apartment in the Marina on Steiner near Chestnut. It's got hardwood floors throughout, extra large walk-in closet, renovated kitchen with granite countertops, nice newer cabinetry, gas stove. You've even got room here for a small kitchen table. And you've got a dishwasher. Plenty of cabinet space and a good amount of counter space as well in this apartment. The windows are fairly new, so good for energy efficiency and noise, although we are on the back of the building, so not much noise anyway. Got an extra large walk-in closet here. Down in the basement is a coin-operated washer and dryer. We've got a nice big linen closet, but there's really room here for more than just linens. This is the front door to the apartment. You've got the bathroom. This is the original vanity, which they kept in place, but they put in a new sink and vanity here. So you've really got two vanities in here. And then you've got the tub shower. Someone just moved out of this apartment, so it still needs to be cleaned and have the paint touched up. But I wanted to give you a preview. If you'd like to see this apartment in person, please give me a call at 415-797-8296. Thanks for watching.